thank you for coming.
Ah, that's alright, no problem.
So what kind of OCD traits would you say you had?
Well, it's just, you'll notice very specific things about, I don't know, anything really, and you just have to make sure that they're kind of all in the right order, they're all aligned, just things like that, to be honest.
Okay, and what aggravates you about things not being in the right order?
Oh, it's not anything specific, it's just kind of a sensation, you kind of see it, and you know it's wrong, you
have to sort it out.
And it's just, you can't just leave it.
No, exactly, okay. And would you say it gets in the way of your everyday life?
Well, no, I don't think it gets in the way. It's just something. I'm not going to say something you have to deal with because that's just kind of. But it's just something you have to do. And it's just not. Okay. It's not a problem.
And also, what does it feel like in your head when you see something out of order? What does it feel like?
Well, it's a bit like you kind of got this clock, going on, and you got to sort it out, and it's stupid because nothing's going to happen at the end. It's not if these things don't get aligned, or if these but you just feel like there is. You feel like you have to do it.
Okay, what? Almost like a constant ticking in your head.
Yeah, kind of like.
Okay. You may have noticed we've got a stack of books and a stack of DVDs here. Can you start with the DVDs? Can you tell me what is wrong about the DVDs?
Well, obviously you've got they're all wonky, they're not in the right order. Okay. Then you've got all the ages, they're all out of order. Just little things annoy me. Things like the fonts aren't the same. It's kind of, you've got all the different kind of colours and it's just kind of like,
Okay.
They're at a weird angle to the other set you've got there. They're not properly proportioned on the table.
Well, again, like you mentioned, here is a stack of books. What is it about the books that you find wrong? What is it? If you saw that anywhere else, would you have to sort that out?
Oh, definitely. I mean, yeah. Even now, kind of, you just have to read.
The colours are all wrong.
Yeah, you got the colours, the numbers, the lettering. It's just, they were designed to be in this specific order. You've got green, purple, orange, blue, and they were, part of the set. So,
Yeah, and then when it's messed up, it has to be put back. All right.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their.
Well, it's a bit like you kind of got this clock, going on, and you got to sort it out, and it's stupid because nothing's going to happen at the end. It's not if these things don't get aligned, or if these but you just feel like there is.
And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And to feel the way that every child should sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello, teacher.
Some people think if they don't do this, then their family will die or something else.
Okay.
It feels like a ticking in my head.
I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world. Enlarging your world. Mad world.
I can't just put my drink on the side. I have to kind of move it like I'm gonna drink it again. And put
You just have to make sure that they're kind of all in the right order, they're all aligned, just things like that, to be honest.
it's got to be neat. It just makes me quite anxious.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up there. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world.
I have
Children waiting
something to do with
for the day
symmetry,
they
ordering,
feel
and I can't do things once. I usually have to do 2 for me. For example, I can't just put my drink on the side. I have to kind of move it like I'm gonna drink it again. So go and drink it again. It kind of stresses me out. It's got me neat. It just makes me quite anxious. But if something sets off my OCD, I get really, really anxious. And I start thinking something bad's gonna happen because I haven't done a certain action. Some people think if they don't do this, then their family will die or something else.
Okay.
It feels like a ticking in my head.